Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 28 for learning management system in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we are going to register the teacher. Okay, so we will use the REST framework. We will post the data from the ReactJs to our REST framework. Okay, our server. Okay, so we will do this thing in this video. So I hope you understand my previous video that what we have done. I have explained the course header, useEffect and useState. Okay, so we will use these things in this video and we will see that how we can post the data from ReactJs to Django REST framework, or you can say the server. Okay, so let's start with. So I have opened my teacher register.js file. Okay, so let's first import useEffect and useState from React. Okay, and also we need axios that I have explained that this is our HTTP client. With the help of this axios we will send or receive the data. We can send or receive the data from the server. Okay, so and one more thing that I have also done in before this video, I have defined the name of the every element. Okay, so this name is relative to the form. Okay, so here is our form and name is relative to the all the form elements. Okay, so let's start with use state. So what we will do, we will define teacher data set teacher data. Okay, and we will use state, and this will be our, this data will be empty. Okay, and here we will define teacher. We will set here the data, set teacher data, and this will be, by default we will set the values. So the values are full name. Okay, so the full name is empty. By default the full name is empty. Okay, full name, email. Okay, I have created this thing, so I will just copy this. So I will copy this here. Actually I have divided in the two things, but we can do this can also. Okay, so we don't need to define null before. We just simply directly define the empty data. Okay, now what we will do, we will create here function change element value. So what this function will do, let's see. So I will say handle change equal to, and I'll create this function as an arrow function. Okay, and in this I will pass event. Okay, I'll explain you that what it's mean. Okay, and I'll just simply console this event dot target dot name and event dot target dot value. Okay, and just you need to define here on change handle change function. Okay, and define this all value in our all elements. Where it is, here we have text area. Yes. Okay, so why we have defined this function and what this function will do, let's see. So we have form. Okay, so what is going on, it is saying something error, and what it is, handle change. So let's see what it is. We need to define some kind of this keyword, variable, constant, whatever we want. Okay, so we have defined this. Now what I will do, I will just change this. Okay, and here you can see that this is showing full name this is showing actually the change of this element. Okay, so whenever we change this, showing me the name, and this showing me the value. Okay, so what now I will do, we need to set this data as a object. Okay, and we need to add that object value. Okay, that key value. So we have a specific operator. Okay, so the operator name is spread operator. Okay, and here we have a teacher data. In this teacher data, what I will do, I will just simply add the things, this teacher data. Okay, so here you can see that in this teacher data we will set the teacher data. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Okay, so here we are setting the teacher data. With the help of this keyword, you can set the data. Okay, so this is actually setting the data. Whenever we change the function, this will work. Okay, so the main use of this useState, whenever we change anything in the document, then this will capture that change. Okay, with the help of this set teacher data, we can capture that change and add in this object. So here we have a special operator. Sorry. This is known as spread operator. So this spread operator will do, we have empty values, this will add the key value pair. Okay, so in the teacher data it will add the key value pair matching key and value. Sorry. So now after defining this change, I will just simply console the teacher data. Okay, so let's refresh the page here. Sorry. So by default data is null. Okay, this is something error, I will see that later. So by default we have data is none. Now let's add something in this. I hope you are understanding everything. If you have any query, any issue, then please ask in the comment section. I will try to solve that. But if you follow this tutorial in a proper way, then you will understand everything. Not just follow this video, you should also do some self-study, so that like a spread, if I'm explaining the spread operator, then you have to study about the spread operator and how it will work, create some example, and you will find everything. Okay, so when I click on this, okay, so actually, so this is empty. So when I change this, here you can see that every change it is showing me the data. So this is full name, this, and email is empty, and everything is empty. Okay, so after that we are actually, this is target.name is actually the event is this. Whatever we changing, this event occur, and from this event I am getting the name and I am getting the value. Okay, so this is the same. You should have put the same name here, that is name of the element. Okay, now we will work on this click. So I will go to on click, and I will say handle, or you can simply say submit form. Okay, so I'll create one more function. Submit form and constant submit form, and I'll create this. This is the syntax of arrow function. Okay, so remember this. Now in the submit form, what I will do, I will create you can say constant teacher form data equal to new form data. Okay, actually I am creating the form, and in this form I am going to add the values. Okay, so how I will add the value, I will append the value via this way. Okay, I'm just copying the things. I don't want to repeat the things and don't want to waste the time, so that I'm copying the things. Okay, but I will I have explained you that why we are creating this thing. Okay, so in the form I'm appending the full name, and I'm getting the full name from this state. Okay, so from this state I'm fetching the full name. So teacher dot full name, teacher dot email, password, qualification, mobile, skills, and everything. Okay, so we have another special key, that is a status. I will explain you later that what is the meaning of this status. Okay, now we have appended the data in our teacher form. Okay, so after appending, we will run the axios dot post, and what I will post. Okay, so first of all I will create base URL equal to, and what is our base URL? So base URL is this. Actually I will copy, we don't need to copy, actually we will copy all the things, later we will change. Okay, but this is not best practice. You have to copy only the only this thing. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we have this URL. Now we will put the URL here, and the second one is our teacher form data. Okay, now the third one is, what's going on, sorry. Now the third one is then, and in then we have a response, and we will just console the response. Okay, and we will put everything in the try catch block here, and this will be catch error, and we will console the error. Okay, let me match one yes, this is fine. Okay, so first of all we will console this response. Let's console this. Okay, I will and this will give us a response with a data object. So this data, if our response is success, then this data will return all the data that we have submitted. Okay, so what let's full name, email, password, let's say qualification, and mobile number, skills, register, and here you can see that. So we have all the data. Okay, response, if you print only response, then this will also give us you the server things like status, you can check that. You can check that when you console the response, you will get everything also related to the server. Okay, but if you print the data, then you will get only the data that you have submitted. Okay, so here we have, it means data is submitted. Let's refresh this list. So here you can see that we have data. Okay, now we need to show the success message and empty the form. Sorry. So in this try block, what I will do, I will just copy this thing. Let's set teacher data. Okay, and in this, what I will do, I will copy everything and paste here, and just make this status true. Okay, and if this error, then what I will do, I will not make everything clear, but I will just simply make status false, and with the help of this status I will show the message. Okay, so let's see how we will show the message. So teacher dot status, and then we will say class text success, thanks for your registration. Okay, and after that, if not, then something wrong happened. Something wrong happened. Okay, and this will be danger text. It means this will be red text actually. Okay, so let's refresh the page here. Why it is saying this thing? Okay, so here we need to change one thing here, because empty is also return false. We will do one thing, success and error. So if this string match to this and this, then we will show something. This is fine, success and error. Okay, now let's what I will do, I will just create the Alex Lee, or simply, yeah, this is Alex Lee, alex@gmail.com. password is something, and qualification is BCA, and mobile number is something, skill is PHP, Python, JavaScript. Actually I should put my name, Suraj Kumar. Okay, register. Here you can see that thanks for registration, and let's see, the registration is okay. Okay, so we have successfully implemented everything. Okay, one thing more that we need to do, we need to define the value. Okay, so the value will be teacher data dot full name. Okay, and here the value, this will be email, and this will be password, so that our form couldn't empty. You see that now it is going empty, because now our status variables are empty, so that it become empty now. Okay, so this will be what its name, qualification, sorry, and this will be qualification, yeah, here it is. So you can see that how interactive is this, how interactive the state state. Okay, so that it is known as ReactJs, because its reaction is instant. Okay, value, and this will be our skills. So here you can see that everything is empty now. You can try this one more time. Okay, so let's try this one more time. Let's add some John Doe, john@gmail.com, password is something, and the qualification, mobile number, skills, PHP, JavaScript, Python, register. So data is empty, thanks for registration, and we are now here. Okay, so John Doe and Suraj Kumar and John Doe. Okay, so we have successfully implemented our teacher registration page. Okay, now we will move to our login section. So after the login, we will move to course upload. Okay, then we will see the this front end page. Actually there are lots of things we need to do, but let's I'm happy that we have started our first step, that teacher registration. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this series. If you have any question, any query, then please ask me in the comment section. And let me show you one thing more, github.com/code artisan lab. So I am uploading this whole process code on the GitHub. So if you want the source code, okay, so this is my small this is very small request, then please support me with any of amount that you want to, you can afford. Okay, and just send me your email ID, I will provide the link. Okay, so just create the GitHub account if you have not created. Of course, if you are following this tutorial, then you should have a account. Okay, and you can follow me also here. Okay, I will provide you all the code, I will give you access to that code. Okay, just support me. Okay, and even I have there are lots of projects that these are public. Okay, so you can download. Okay, but I will request you support me, follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Okay, if you are from India, I have defined the links. If you are from you are out of India, then you have I have also defined the link. Okay, so just support me with a small donation. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and share this video, like this video, okay, comment on this video. If you have any query, any question, then please comment on that specific video. You can also email me, okay. So yeah, you can connect with me with every medium, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have anything, then please send me, okay. So thank you so much. Thank you.